Are you tired of tripping over cords or dealing with weak drills that can't even drive a screw into a piece of soft pine? Today, we are putting the top cordless drills to the ultimate test to find out which one truly deserves a permanent spot in your toolbox. We are going to look at everything from ergonomics and chuck reliability to raw torque output and battery efficiency under heavy loads. By the end of this video, you will know exactly which drill is worth your cash and which ones you should avoid at all costs. Let's dive straight into the countdown. Number 7. DCA ADJZ 2035. Right out of the box, the drill has a very standard no-frills appearance with a bright green colorway and a relatively lightweight footprint. It comes packaged with a charger and a battery, making it a complete starter kit for anyone who just needs to get a quick job done around the apartment. On paper, the specs look adequate for light household tasks, featuring a standard variable speed trigger and a clutch with multiple torque settings to prevent you from stripping screws. I started my testing by driving some standard 1.5-inch wood screws into pine, and the drill managed the task reasonably well for the first few minutes. It feels okay in the hand, though the plastic casing immediately gives off a rather hollow, it's brittle vibe that makes you question its long-term durability. However, as soon as I tried to push this drill slightly out of its comfort zone, the cracks began to show. When I attempted to drill a 1/2-inch hole through a thicker piece of plywood, the motor started to bog down significantly, and I could actually smell a faint burning odor coming from the brushed motor vents. It lacks the sustained torque necessary for anything beyond hanging pictures or assembling basic shelving units. Another major frustration during my testing was the chuck design. It is a completely plastic keyless chuck that really struggles to maintain a firm grip on smooth drill bits. After driving just a handful of screws, I constantly found myself having to stop and retighten the chuck because the bit kept slipping out and dropping onto the floor, which severely slowed down my workflow. Furthermore, the battery life leaves a lot to be desired. 6. COMOWARE TG Drill 20V 1 battery. This is another highly visible budget option that attempts to offer a bit more versatility and a sleeker design than our number 7 pick. When I first unpacked the COMOWARE, I was relatively pleased with its compact form factor and the rubberized overmold on the grip, which definitely makes it feel a bit more secure in the hand compared to bare plastic models. This drill boasts a 20-volt max system and a 3/8-inch keyless chuck, along with a 2-speed gearbox that allows you to switch between high torque for driving and high speed for drilling. In my initial tests driving standard drywall screws into framing studs, the COMOWARE felt decently snappy. The power delivery is definitely a step up from the DCA, and it handled basic household maintenance tasks with a reasonable amount of confidence. Despite the step up in initial power, my testing revealed a glaring issue with the trigger's variable speed control. Instead of a smooth, gradual increase in RPMs as you pull the trigger, the power tends to jump abruptly from 0 to a fairly high speed. This lack of finesse makes it incredibly difficult to start screws accurately without them walking across the surface of your material, which is a massive headache when you are trying to do delicate work on finished wood. I also encountered some noticeable runout or wobble in the chuck when using longer drill bits. When I chucked up a 6-inch bit to drill through a 4x4 post, the tip of the bit vibrated in a wide circle, making it nearly impossible to drill a perfectly straight, clean hole. This kind of wobble indicates lower quality internal bearings, and it completely ruins the precision you need for more demanding woodworking projects. 5. JIARUISI 714 20V cordless drill. Now we are starting to step into the territory of drills that offer a much more balanced experience for the budget-conscious DIYer. This drill arrives as part of a comprehensive kit, often loaded with a variety of drill bits, driver bits, and even flexible shaft extensions, making it an incredibly appealing all-in-one package for new homeowners wanting to build up their tool collection instantly. During my hands-on testing, the first thing that stood out was the improved build quality. The tool feels distinctly more solid, with a satisfying weight distribution that doesn't immediately fatigue your wrist during overhead tasks. The 20-volt motor pushes out a very respectable amount of torque, and I had absolutely no issues driving 3-inch decking screws straight into treated lumber without the motor stalling or complaining. The clutch on the JIARUISI is also a notable improvement. It clicks into place cleanly and engages predictably, allowing me to dial in the exact amount of torque needed for delicate jobs like installing cabinet hardware without overdriving the screws. The built-in LED work light is decently bright, though its placement just above the trigger does cast a slight shadow directly over the spot you are trying to drill, which is a minor annoyance, but entirely common at this price point. While the drill itself performs admirably for its class, it is worth noting that the included accessories are definitely of the throwaway variety. The drill bits dulled rather quickly after drilling through a few pieces of mild steel, so you will likely need to invest in higher quality bits down the road. However, as a primary driving and drilling unit for the house, the core tool is surprisingly resilient. 4. PULITUO'S 20-volt cordless drill. If you are looking for a drill that prioritizes a compact, maneuverable design without sacrificing essential power, this is where you should be looking. Out of the box, the PULITUO features a modern, streamlined profile that immediately feels agile. It is specifically designed to fit into tight spaces where bulkier drills simply cannot go. I put this to the test immediately by installing some slide-out drawers inside a very cramped kitchen cabinet. The shorter head length of the PULITUO allowed me to get straight on with the screws without having to use awkward, flexible extensions. Despite its smaller size, it packs a robust 2-speed transmission and a highly responsive variable speed trigger that gives you excellent control over the bit, allowing for very smooth, precise starts. The chuck on this model is a significant step up from the previous entries. It tightens down securely with a reassuring click, and throughout my testing, it held tightly onto everything, from tiny hex shank bits to smooth, round masonry bits without a single instance of slipping. This level of reliability is exactly what you need when you are deep into a project and don't want to stop every 5 minutes to readjust your tools. Battery life is another area where the PULITUO shines. The 20-volt system is highly efficient, and I was able to complete nearly an entire day of light to medium DIY tasks on a single charge. The battery pack also features a very handy, easy-to-read LED power indicator, so you are never left guessing how much juice you have left before you climb up a ladder. This drill strikes a fantastic balance between size, weight, and power. 3. AVID Power ACD 316. When you pick up the AVID Power, you can immediately tell why it is so popular. It feels robust, tough, and ready for serious work. The grip is incredibly well designed with extensive rubber overmolding that absorbs vibration beautifully and provides a secure hold even if your hands are sweaty. What truly sets the AVID Power apart in this price bracket is its impressive torque output. I threw everything I could at this drill, including driving massive lag bolts into thick timber and using a large hole saw to cut through dense MDF. The motor barely flinched. It delivers consistent fade-free power that easily rivals drills that cost twice as much, making it an absolute workhorse for larger DIY renovations. The 3/8-inch keyless chuck is highly durable and operates smoothly, locking bits into place with excellent centering. The 15+1 position clutch is highly sensitive and accurate, ensuring that you can easily switch from aggressive drilling to delicate screw driving without damaging your materials. Furthermore, the dual-speed gear switch on top snaps into place cleanly and stays locked during heavy vibration. One of my favorite features of this drill is the innovative battery design. The 20-volt battery pack actually includes a built-in USB port, allowing you to use it as a portable power bank to charge your phone or tablet on the job site. It is a brilliant little addition that adds tremendous real-world utility to the tool when you are working far away from wall outlets. The AVID Power ACD 316 is a masterclass in budget-friendly engineering. It provides an abundance of power, excellent ergonomics, and smart features that make it incredibly versatile. If you want the absolute best bang for your buck and need a tool that can handle almost anything you throw at it, this drill is a spectacular choice. CRAFTSMAN CMCD 700C1. Now we are stepping into the realm of major, established tool brands, and the jump in overall refinement is instantly noticeable. The classic red and black housing isn't just for show. It is built with high-impact plastics that feel incredibly durable, designed to easily survive drops from workbenches and the general abuse of a busy garage. Under the hood, this drill features a high-performance motor that produces up to 280 unit watts out of power. In practical terms, this means it eats through tough materials with remarkable speed. I tested it by drilling consecutive half-inch holes through solid oak, and the CRAFTSMAN powered through effortlessly, maintaining a high RPM without bogging down or overheating. The power delivery is exceptionally smooth and professional. The chuck is a robust half-inch single-sleeve keyless design, which is a major upgrade. The larger half-inch capacity allows you to use much larger drill bits and heavy-duty hole saws that smaller 3/8-inch chucks simply cannot accommodate. The bit retention on this chuck is phenomenal. Once you lock a bit in, it stays dead center with absolutely zero runout or wobble, giving you ultimate precision. Ergonomically, the CRAFTSMAN is a dream to handle. The weight is perfectly balanced directly over the grip, which completely eliminates wrist fatigue during long sessions. The 2-speed gearbox shifts seamlessly, and the variable speed trigger is incredibly sensitive, allowing for microscopic adjustments to your drilling speed. The LED light is also optimally placed to illuminate your work surface without creating frustrating shadows. Being part of the CRAFTSMAN V20 lineup means the battery is interchangeable with a massive ecosystem of other high-quality tools. The included battery charges quickly and holds its power exceptionally well over time. 1 Dewalt DCD 777D1. If you want the absolute best combination of raw power, cutting-edge technology, and legendary durability, this is the drill you buy. The secret weapon of the DCD 777 is its high-efficiency brushless motor. Unlike the brushed motors in the previous entries, this brushless design generates significantly less heat, experiences less wear and tear, and delivers up to 30% more runtime on a single battery charge. The moment you pull the trigger on this Dewalt, you can feel the difference. The power is instantaneous, incredibly smooth, and overwhelmingly strong. I put this drill through a torture test, driving dozens of structural screws and drilling into light masonry, and it performed as if it were barely breaking a sweat. It delivers a staggering amount of torque that makes even the most demanding construction tasks feel like an absolute breeze. Despite its immense power, the DCD 777D1 is remarkably compact and lightweight. Dewalt has engineered this tool to be highly maneuverable, fitting into tight joists and cramped corners with ease. The ergonomics are simply best in class. The grip is perfectly contoured to the human hand, making it feel like an extension of your arm rather than a heavy tool you are fighting to control. The 1/2-inch ratcheting chuck is a piece of industrial art. It grips bits with a vice-like hold, ensuring perfect concentricity and eliminating any chance of the bit slipping under massive torque loads. Additionally, the built-in LED light features a 20-second trigger release delay, meaning the light stays on after you let go of the trigger, brilliantly illuminating your dark workspace while you line up your next screw. Ultimately, the Dewalt DCD 777D1 represents the pinnacle of compact cordless drilling. It offers professional-grade power, the incredible efficiency of a brushless motor, and a build quality that will easily last you for decades.